What's the meaning of acolyte? Acolyte. 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 Acolyte refers to a person who is a follower or an assistant of a religious leader. The term originated from the Greek word, acolythos, which means follower, or attendant. In modern times, the term can be used to refer to any kind of apprentice or assistant. Acolytes are typically responsible for assisting in religious ceremonies, performing various tasks such as lighting candles, carrying sacred objects, and helping the priest or other religious leader with their duties. Overall, the term acolyte describes someone who is dedicated to serving and assisting in religious practices and rituals.